all
This
the
free
bulbs
step-by-step
from the
video
housing.
comes to you directly from Haynes,
Disconnect
creators
the
of the
electrical
world's best
connector
repair
of the
manuals.
bulb or bulbs being
Fix
replaced.
your car or truck the right way
The
with
bulb
our
is
accurate and
integrated in
reliable
the bulb
information
holder
at your
as one
side.
piece.
You can complete more than 200 jobs
Making
on this
sure to
vehicle
avoid
when
touching
you
the bulb
purchase the
surface
complete
with your
online
fingers,
manual at
install the new
Haynes.com.
headlight bulb. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the lug nut protective cover nuts, then remove the cover. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Support the outer end of the lower control arm with a floor jack. The jack must remain in this position throughout the entire procedure. Using a backup wrench on the stem, remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut and bushing. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Note the direction in which the bolt points. Remove the shock absorber from the fender well. Transfer the lower bushing located on the center rod to the new absorber, or install a new one if it looks damaged. The same goes for the upper bushing when installing it. Install the shock absorber into the fender well and install the lower mounting bolt and nut in the correct direction. Guide the center rod into the upper shock bracket mount, then install the bushing and upper mounting nut. Tighten the shock lower mounting nut and bolt to the specified torque setting. Using a backup wrench on the stem, tighten the shock absorber mounting nut to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front shock absorber. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the lug nut cover and tighten the bolts securely. Draw the bulbs from the housing. Disconnect the electrical connector of the bulb or bulbs being replaced. The bulb is integrated in the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb or bulbs into